Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This channel is for the beginners who want to learn Quranic grammar. Please support us by liking and subscribing the channel. Dear students, I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn the third and the last type of feminine, and that is the formal feminine noun. These types of feminine carry three signs in the end. In other words, there are three kinds of letters which come in the end of such nouns. These three letters define a noun as formal feminine noun. These letters indicate that they should be considered as female nouns. The first one. When we read the alphabetical letters of Arabic language, the third letter is ta. It is a long and a curved boat-like shape with two dots. When we join the ends of this long ta, we get a round-shaped ta with two dots. It is called a tied ta or ta marbuta in Arabic. All the words that end with the tied ta or ta marbuta are formal feminine nouns. For example, al-jannatu, which means a garden. It comes at various places in Quran. For example, in Surah Al-Zumr, chapter 39, verse 73. Another noun with a tied ta is ash-shajaratu in Surah Al-A'raf, chapter 7, verse 19. Ash-shajaratu means the tree. Next example is ayatun. This noun is very common in Quran. It's in Surah Ash-Shu'ara, chapter 26. The noun ayatun has two meanings. First meaning is the sign of nature which Allah created for us to recognize Him. The second meaning of the noun ayatun is the verse of Quran. The second type of formal feminine noun is the one which has a letter ya in the end, and the letter just before this ya has a small alif on it. This alif is called small alif or alif maqsura. For example, the noun al-kubra, which means huge or magnificent. This word is in Surah Taha, chapter 20, verse 23. And also in Surah An-Najm, chapter 53, verse 18. As well as in Surah An-Naziyat, chapter 79, verse 20. The third type of formal feminine noun is the one which has a long alif and a hamza in the end of the word. When we recite such words, we stretch the sound, due to which it is called a long alif or alif mamduda. The example is al-fuqara'u. The noun al-fuqara'u means the needy people. It comes in Surah At-Tawbah, chapter 9, verse 60. Also in Surah Al-Hashr, chapter 59, verse 8, and many other places also. So we learned that formal feminine noun has three signs in the end. That is, the ta marbuta or the round ta, alif maqsura or the short alif, and alif mamduda or the long alif. In the next video, inshallah, we shall learn about the masculine types and our lesson of gender will be completed. I hope these lessons are useful for you in learning grammar. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.